Select and Mask is a great tool to use in Photoshop to isolate a subject from the background. It makes it easy to create complex selections with a clean edge. Make sure that one of the selection tools in the toolbar is selected. In the options bar above the canvas, you will find the Select and Mask button, or you could go to Select in the menu and choose Select and Mask. Either of these options will send you to the Select and Mask task space. This is a new interface where, on the left, you can use some new tools and some familiar ones to create your selections. On the right is the Properties panel where you could choose different views, sliders to help perfect your select and mask, and also settings for when you output your image. Now, with one click, you can isolate the model by clicking the Select Subject button. To see the detail of this selection, you can choose different views. This one is onion skin, but you could choose overlay, or on black, or on white, or any of these other options. Adjust the opacity slider to change the background. In order to get more details of the model's hair, click on the Refine Hair button. To get even more detail, click on the Refine Edge Brush tool. Adjust your brush size by pressing the open bracket to make it smaller, or the close bracket to make it larger. Apply the brush stroke to the outline of the hair. One other method you can use to refine details in the hair strands is to go to Refine mode. Click on Color Aware if there is a lot of contrast in colors between the subject and the background. However, if the subject and the background are similar in contrast, use the Object Aware. In addition to what has been presented, you can use the edge detection to expand the radius of your selection, and any of these global refinements to help perfect your selection. The final outcome will depend on the photo you choose when you apply the Select and Mask feature, and also the enhancement tools that you use. When your image is to your satisfaction, go to Output To and select New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Now let's look at this cutout image against a new background.